5229. We're going to unlock this closet door. Until you unlock the door. This is how you lock it. Oh, I did not take the string all the way. Okay. That right there is an electrical problem. And, yeah. So, got this little can. I already explained this already. Around the sink, I just put a drain. I just put this shampoo cap as a stainer. That way items won't fall into the sink drain. So far hasn't been leaking, but the sink is sort of like sagging from the middle. And this is a pipe for the overflow right there, but I used it in 20 and you can see the mark right there. I never used it, so I just plugged it up, but I didn't give it up this small portion because that way it can get more support for the sink. So this pipe is not original. I replaced it 2 times because I threw away the original one. First I made it the pipe in 2019, but the water leaked over there, so I couldn't really fix it, so I had to replace the pipe. So this shampoo pipe went all in. There was 2, one here and one from there to there, and then yeah, I just had to replace it because the hole was so small and I put too much water in the whole thing. Just water leaked everywhere, so I had to reinforce it right there, and you can still see the water damage. Up here we have my knives, a hammer, screwdriver, my bubble gun, old, and back here we have more items, my razor, and these are really dangerous, so just make sure not to give these to little kids. Oops, something fell down. I don't know what fell down, but yeah, but I got this at Target. I think May. I got this. My dad bought this for me in December of last year, and it's interesting how this thing opens up. Again, these are really dangerous, so you may have to. You have knives in here. You have 3 knives. This closes shut like if it were to be a. All the blades are. I don't know how this thing closes shut. And then just close it back up. The center lever. And then here's a button to replace the blade. One thing that's dangerous is that the blade can open up like that. I could have made a safety lock for that too. Okay. We have more tools in here. 2 clamps that go out to swap me, a screwdriver. And this is a cap. There we go. You can see inside of there. And then there's husking the blade. This you just. There we go. Cover it back up. Down here we have this little. You have more stuff in here. You have like more tools and items back here. And these right here are casters. And those came with this drawer cabinet. But I never did. I stopped using them 2 months after I got this because they would not roll because of the weight. So yeah. And then more tape rolls in here. And then just get the blade. This is an old looking vintage blade. This is absolutely beautiful, but it can't take the blade out because it's permanently stuck. You have this little 2-point system. Little cardboard shell. And then you have some items in here, a little motor shaft, some bubbles, more items in here. And that'll probably be it for this one because it's only 6 minutes.